Well, nice to see you again, and some people for the first time. So welcome to those. And today is like in any good Waldorf lesson, you have a bit of recapitulation to start with. And it's not yesterday, but 12 months ago that we're going to try and reconnect with. And we're going to start a little song that we learnt last time, and that should bring back some memories to others, and others are just going to have to follow and join in. Now I have asked that everyone have a little sign like this that I said has to be able to be read from 10 meters. Okay, it's for my sake, but also for Rachel's. My name is Robin, and that Robin means, it's got two parts, ro and bin. Ro means the sun, and bin means the sun, so my name means the son of the sun, if you can understand the double speak, child of the sun. So a robin redbreast has been burnt by the sun. But I come from New Zealand, where it is winter, and it's night time, so I'm just getting acclimatized to the difference. And it's nice to see Kansas not so dry and hot as it was last year, but I think I can take that back tomorrow. Well, thank you everyone, and I hope you enjoy the weeks and days and weeks that you're here. And some of you are not here all the time. Now let's start with reprising a little song we had last time of Morning Has Come. Let's stand. Put your chairs back a little bit. So the words to the song are, morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. So let's say that. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. Now we're going to walk it so we get the beat in our feet. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. Turn around, go the other way and walk with the rhythm. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. Right, stand, face the middle. And we're going to use our hands to clap the rhythm of the words, which is not the same as the beat. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. Now we walk and do them both together. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. Turn the other way. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and welcome the day. Right, this time face the middle. We'll walk in and out with each line. Just walking. Morning has come, night is away, rise with the sun and well the day. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Now we'll do some other little movements with it. We can say, morning has come, night is away. So we just have one step in and out. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Right, now we'll use our hands now to indicate the pitch. So we've had beat, we've had rhythm, now we're going to have the pitch. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Okay, so it just gives you some different aspects of music for learning, and by the time we go through it all, I think even most of you have learnt the song. Even if you're not, even I couldn't say it, you just sing it by yourself. But what we'll do is have half the group singing it, and we'll do a round, and then we'll gradually build up to a full round. So we're going to sing it all together, and I can get this half to sing the first line. This half waits and starts the song one line later. That's part of a round, which is, round singing is very good from class 3 onwards, because you have to be in your song, but also in tune with other people. You have to be, and it's very easy just as a child just to fall in with everyone else. Now you've got to stand back and be in your part and still conscious of the others. So what we'll do is we'll sing the whole song through once, and then I'll start you people, and you can go through 3 times, and we will follow one line later. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Well done. Okay, now we'll do it. It's a 4-part round. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Kimberly, you come into this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll make it. Jared, you go with that. Jared, you go with that group, and I'll be with this group. So we're not quite right. Now, just a little tip for when you're leading rounds and things, and you're going to be part of it. Don't put yourself in the first group. Always put yourself in the last group. It's just you'll find it much easier. Okay, so we'll sing it again all through together so we get tuned and in the rhythm. And then first, second, third, and fourth. And we'll go through, once we have it, then we'll go through 3 times, and I will then indicate you to finish. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, morning has come, morning has come, morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Morning has come, night is away. Rise with the sun and welcome the day. Wonderful. I hope you could hear yourselves and hear the others and hear the harmonies we're making. And it's a wonderful way, I think, rounds can be a wonderful way of making music that has harmonies in it quite early on. Okay, let's go back to our chairs, and we want again a reprise of last year. So go back to your chairs.